Hello YouTube, Woody down the lane here again with another model update. I just finished my 41 Chevy pickup. I'd give you a quick view of it, let you see what you think. Your comments would be cool and appreciated. That's this truck sledgehammer, I guess you can go with them decals, but I decided to go with the lumber truck decals. Plum Lake Lumber. I'm not sure you can see it too good. I painted craft acrylic green with oh crap, gunmetal fenders. Gunmetal laid down beautiful on it. I was real happy with how the gunmetal laid down. Whoops. There it is. I picked up a load of lumber. I painted the bed rails. Tried to tape them off. The tape I had didn't work out too good. I tried a little silver plate. That didn't work my best, but oh well. The old work truck. There's the engine done. We got the lumber out of the back. There's the underneath, painted brown. There's the engine. I was real happy with it. A few flaws that didn't go out good like I wanted. Like with the front end, which I don't know what happened there. I dry fit, it seemed like it went together instead of put together. It didn't work out. Got a gap one way or the other. But hey, that's alright. Still working at it. Still learning. My lumber, I found these at the store. I got a whole poker. They're coffee stirrers, which I figure they make good bed rails, real thin. Use them for about anything. Guys who are building your dioramas, probably make nice barn board sides for your little garages. Paint stirrers. And Halloween time, whenever you get these, are for caramel apples. They're sticks for caramel apples. I'm going to cut some down, put in there for fence post. I put some alligator clamps on them to make hangers for paint stuff, or pieces when I paint it, which alligator clamps at Harbor Freight, get a whole poke of them, all different kinds of sizes. They work on there for nice for that. But there she is, the 41 Ford lumber truck. Plum Lake Lumber. Another one down the book since I've been back. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Comments appreciated down below if you want to give them. If not, that's cool. And I'm going to thank you all for watching. And oh, thing about the acrylic paint, I love the craft paint, but it doesn't like the damp. Where I live, it gets damp quite a bit. And it can throw a fit on the paint sometimes drying, or but something I'm working through. Thanks for watching the video, everybody. So Woody down the lane. I'm out of here. You guys have a good one.